Hello you beautiful people, I am Urvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the ordinary niacinamide serum. You guys must have already seen many people on Instagram and YouTube using this, but not many people from India have been using this or have reviewed this. Of course, there are a few people who have, but I thought I would give you guys my 2 cents about this product. So I'm talking about the ordinary niacinamide serum. As you can see, this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. I have gotten this bottle of mine from Canada. A cousin of mine stays there and very kindly she sent over some products. So this was one of them. So before I start reviewing the product itself, I would like to talk a little bit about niacinamide and what it does and what exactly is it, because we've been hearing this word a lot these days, niacinamide serum, niacinamide this, that, but many of us don't actually know what niacinamide is. So let me talk you guys through whatever I know about niacinamide and whatever little research that I have done on this. So niacinamide is a type of vitamin B3. So there are many uses of niacinamide, and of course there are many skin benefits of niacinamide as well. First benefit that niacinamide gives is to brighten your skin, and of course it treats hyperpigmentation and spots and everything. So the basic and the main usage for niacinamide would be to get rid of hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and any darkness around the skin that you might have. Also, niacinamide helps the skin build keratin, which in turn helps the skin to become firm and healthy. And if the skin is firm and healthy, of course there will be lesser wrinkles and fine lines as well. So you can say that many people use niacinamide as an anti-aging as well, because once your skin is bright and healthy and firm, of course any signs of aging would be very less visible. So niacinamide also helps to reduce inflammation and redness around the skin. So again, it is very good for people who are looking to treat the acne marks or inflammation after acne and everything. So this is a very good product to get rid of any kind of inflammation or redness that may or may not have been caused because of acne. Also, it regulates oil production in your skin. So niacinamide, so many people say that niacinamide controls the oil production. It doesn't allow the skin to create more oils and everything, but that's not a fact. It just regulates the oil. So if your skin is very dry, then it will help in producing oils, and if your skin is very oily, then it will help in controlling the oil secretion. So it kind of balances the secretion of oils in your face. So this is in fact not true that dry skinned people can't use niacinamide because it dries the skin out. I have been using this for quite some time, but I haven't experienced any dryness at all. Also, it helps to minimize the appearance of pores, which again leads to brighter skin and clearer, smoother skin. If your pores don't appear very large, then of course your skin is going to look flawless. It also helps to maintain the lipid barrier of the skin, which helps to maintain moisture in your skin. So that's why I was saying that your skin never feels dry when you use a niacinamide serum. Niacinamide also protects the skin against oxidative stress. So whatever oxidants that we have that are freely flowing, so this helps in dealing with the oxidative stress, and therefore improving the quality of your skin again. So overall, it's a very good ingredient to have in your skincare routine. And the best form of niacinamide that you guys can include in your skincare would be of course a serum, because a serum is the most potent form of skincare there is. Also, if you guys are very new to niacinamide in your skincare, then I would suggest you can start with a 5% niacinamide serum. People with very sensitive skin can also start with a 2% niacinamide serum and then build your way up. So even if you're using 2% or 5% of niacinamide, it is always a good idea to do a patch test before you start trying any new product on your skin, because you never know. If you haven't ever used niacinamide, you might be allergic to it and you don't know it as yet. So what you guys can do is just take a little bit of the product and swatch it on the back of your neck, so even if there is some reaction, it won't be there on the face. So, and wait for 24 hours to see if your skin is reacting badly to it or not. And if not, you can of course you can go ahead and use the serum. So that would be all the information that I had about niacinamide. And now let's move on to the product that I have been using for around 6 weeks. So I wouldn't say exactly 6 weeks, because I have been taking a bit of breaks here and there, but I have used this serum very religiously for at least 4 weeks, so that I can get to see a result and I can show you the difference, or I can give you guys a review on this product. So I'm going to insert a picture of before and after, and you guys can see what difference it has made to my skin. So I think, as you guys saw in that picture, of course right now I'm wearing makeup, but in my previous video I had talked about that how my spots have reduced drastically, and it is all because of this product. So initially when I started using this product, I used to use it 2 times a day, because this is not the first niacinamide serum that I'm using. Before this, I also finished an entire bottle of niacinamide serum from the Derma-Co, but I couldn't see great results with that product. So I thought I'd just switch it up a little bit. So it is a very potent formula, and it has definitely given me results. So the first and foremost thing that you guys could see in that picture as well was that how well it has reduced my spots. So I had been suffering from a lot of maskne, and I think most of you guys would also be suffering from the same. So I had a lot of pimples and spots going on in this part of my face. So after using this serum very religiously and regularly for 4 to 6 weeks, I have definitely seen results. So my spots have definitely reduced, and they have been lightened to a great extent. Almost 2 months before, if somebody would have said you have to go out without any makeup on your face, then I would have felt a little bit conscious, because I had a lot of spots going on. So I would just apply a little bit of concealer or maybe a little bit of powder or whatever. But now I can get out of the house without any makeup whatsoever, and I don't feel as conscious, and I feel quite confident because my skin texture has improved greatly. So apart from lightening my acne marks, it has also prevented new pimples from coming, because I don't know what was the reason, but I was getting a lot of breakouts here and there, and those breakouts would leave spots as well, and those spots were a task to get rid of. So after I started using this serum, of course my spots have faded, but also new pimples haven't been coming up so regularly on my face. As you can see right now, I don't have any pimple whatsoever on my face, and that's a very rare sight, because there is at least one pimple somewhere on my face at any given point of time. So my skin is doing really well after I have started using this niacinamide serum. So as you guys can see, I have used only this much. So this is a 60 ml bottle, and I think I have used only about 10 ml of the product in 1.5 to 2 months. So this bottle is a fully glass bottle, and it comes in a frosted glass like this, and the pump is made of glass as well, and that's how the consistency of the serum is. Let me just show you a little bit on the back of my hand. So that's the consistency. There is no color or fragrance whatsoever in this product, and it spreads so easily and so beautifully. And I just put in a little drop, and you can see my whole hand is covered. As you can see, it has been absorbed also very quickly. So it does not have any artificial fragrance, but there is a little bit of smell of the ingredients that are already in it. So the smell is not very pleasant. It's not so bad that you can't even bear to smell it. The fragrance goes away in a little bit. So after applying this serum, I just let it rest on my face for a minute or two, and it gets very beautifully absorbed into the skin. And if you guys don't want to layer your face with very many products, I think after applying a toner, just apply this serum and you can be done for the day. Of course, you have to apply sunscreen after this as well. But what I'm saying is, this serum does not dry the skin, nor does it make the skin very oily. It gives just the right amount of moisture to your skin so that you can go through the day without any heavy moisturizers on your face. So as I was saying, I used to use this twice a day initially when I started, but after a week or so I just felt the need, I just didn't feel the need to use it twice a day, because I don't think it was doing its work any faster. So I just started using it once a day, and mostly at night. So I just apply 3 to 4 drops on my entire face and just pat it into my skin. So after that I follow my other nighttime skincare routine as usual, and then I go off to sleep, and the next morning I just wash off my face with plain water, and my skin really feels very hydrated, very well nourished in the morning. So part of that is also because of this serum. Of course, I'm going to finish this entire bottle, and you might see an empty of this soon in my empties video, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this because I have been loving this serum from The Ordinary. It has really worked well for me. It has not given me any magical changes, overnight it is going to fade away all my scars or anything. Of course, any skincare product needs a little bit of patience. So you have to give it at least 4 to 6 weeks for you to see very visible results. So I have definitely seen visible results, and I see a difference in my skin texture, in my skin feeling as well. I'm definitely going to continue using it. So the end of this review for me would be that this is a 10 on 10 product for me. I don't think I have found any con in this product at all. So I would highly recommend you guys to buy this serum if you can get your hands on it. So anybody who's looking for a niacinamide serum, a good quality niacinamide serum, I would highly recommend you guys to go for this one, because it's just beautiful and you are not going to regret it. So whatever benefits of niacinamide I had mentioned earlier, this serum has done all of it for my skin. Of course, I don't have a lot of wrinkles or fine lines, but I do have a little bit of lines here and there. But I have seen an improvement in those lines as well. These smile lines, or those fine lines around your eyes, I have definitely seen a change in those as well. So without a doubt, I could say that the formulation in this is really good, and they have used a really potent niacinamide in this serum. So that would be all the points and all the things I wanted to share you guys about niacinamide and this niacinamide serum in particular. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys thought that this review would be a little bit helpful for you guys or any of your friends, then please do share it with your friends and family as well, and like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.